are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Hi friends, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I am going to show you how to make tasty mocha coffee. Ingredients needed: milk chocolate. You can also use cocoa powder instead of milk chocolate. Coffee powder, sugar, milk, hot water. Method: add chocolate, add 1 tablespoon hot water, wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can see it like this. So, after that, mix it well. Then add coffee powder. Then add sugar, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Now I am going to heat this milk in oven for 1 minute. Now I am going to pour this milk in this bottle and shake it well. After shaking, then pour the milk. It's ready! Try this at home